Friday morning, February 12th, and the obligatory back deck snow on the rail footage. My. Alright, I first did this at about 8:30 in the morning. It was about an inch. It's now 9:15, and whoa! It accumulated fast. Right now, snow temp 31.8. 31.8, 30.8 in the shade. Okay. Now, this is supposed to transition over to rain later today. I don't know. We will see. The trick is, I got to get to work. Owner of the gun shop says, "Hey, if there's not a foot of snow on the ground, you get your ass into work, boy." Well, we'll have to do it. In the meantime, take a quick look at the snow. It is beautiful. Alright, get it out here and we'll pan around. Now, many of you have seen these from the past, and you know there's a big cell tower up there. Barely visible through all this beautiful snow. Oh yeah. Where are you? There it is. How much can I get? Now, all this snow messes with my autofocus, so you'll see a lot of blurring in and out, in and out. That's not me. It's that snow fooling with the autofocus. Well, it has, and that tower is pretty much gone. Alright, let's get down there. Railroad tracks are just poking through. Well, I'm looking over at the depot. Wow. Somebody's driving about 10 miles an hour, which I don't blame them for. I'll be in that mess shortly. Alright, let me rearrange here. See if I can get an angle of that road. Whoa, there's a hot rodder. We'll zoom in on here. We'll get some road footage. There they go. Come on, tighten it up there, boy. There you go. Yeah, now, let's wait for the fun. Who's going to be driving that? Me, shortly. Thank goodness I've got an extra 500 pounds of dirt in buckets to give me a little more traction. Because that hill could be a real roller coaster. And it's kind of short notice for the town to do salt trucks. Yesterday, or the day before, whichever. I think day before. Yeah, day before. The salt trucks were on our streets. To the town of Murphy. Kudos. Good job. Thank you. Good response. Roads were clear. This kind of caught everybody by surprise. Not like the cruise ship off the coast of North Carolina hitting 30-foot waves. And they blamed the Weather Channel. The nerve. Trying to throw the Weather Channel under the bus. Jim Cantori and our good buddies. How dare they? Beautiful out here. Alright. Let me finish this up. Whoop, sorry. I just made everybody lose their lunch by turning that camera too quickly. Fully zoomed out. Alright. Let's do something fun for you now. For everybody. Now let's do the. Now let's pull back a little bit of the rail. Now, a lot of you people like to hear me yak, yak, yak. I like to yak, but you also know I like some quiet time. So, let's just zoom in on that nice tree over there. Tighten this stuff down. Let me zoom up a little bit more. Wow. Oh, this is my stiff tripod. Alright. Get lots of good snow action. Beautiful tree. And here's what I'm going to do. For those of you that have to get back to work, see ya. From now, for the next 5 minutes, will be only silence and whatever ambient noise. Bruce Chenoweth reporting, Murphy, North, snowy morning, North Carolina. Bruce Chenoweth reporting. Murphy, North Carolina. Wish me luck. I'm gonna drive through this and go to work.